There you go. First try.
First try.
Yeah, that's the warm-up. Nice. Nice.
Make it look hard this time. All right.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh, sick.
Very nice. I'm gonna leave that forever be Scott's Rock. I'm gonna get a little plaque and glue it on there. Scott's Rock. Scott made this rock.
There you go.
Better.
Yeah, exactly. Nice shot.
Whoa.
Oh, oh.
Darn it. Tipping, tipping.
I don't like how this is pointing down slightly.
Yeah.
With both sides dropping
Go
away.
over there, yeah. Side drop here.
There you go.
Oh, that way. Yeah,
Perfect.
Nice. Sweet.
Oh, that was beautiful, Scott. Nice.
Golf clap. And then so back up a little, did a little, and then on. Instead of just doing the Jim bunny rabbit, like from the
from the static.
Your back goes right against the static.
Right.
So new sheet. Oh yeah, I mean we could do it with a roll-in. There's no doubt about it. I was thinking of a little. Not a bad idea. When the back tire's right up against it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's what I'm trying to figure out a way around. Not saying necessarily it. It's almost like a mini Gary.
Go like that.
Yeah, just tip back and then again.
Oops, move the pedal.
Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, looks like it's
Rolling.
for some rotation.
Yeah, it's not easy, but it's rolling.
The front tire is skidding while he rides. Nice.
Oop, go this way. All right.
Front tire doesn't turn anyway. Might as well go the other
Yeah,
way.
right.
That was awesome.
Lunge all the way across. Oop.
Yeah, having the right pedal position.
That's normally where I'd roll a little.
So what's your, show me what your wheels are doing there. Optimal configuration.
Nice, Ryan. We know how much work it took to get there. You can see the waves of heat coming off the front rotor. That Ryan sweating? No, that searing noise is the front rotor. Here, watch this.
Famous last words.
Get ready to be impressed.
Drop it off.
Who'd you leave it with?
Here it is.
Come on.
There you go. Yeah, like that. Oh.
Yeah. Here it is. Yay!
Oh, shit!
Nice.
You could have just fallen into the wind.
Oh, yeah.
turnaround on this bike.
Short bike.
Yeah, the short bike helps a lot.
That fit right in there.
Nice, Tony.
Finally got him looking at a video call or a FaceTime call this evening.
Nice, Scott.
And they said, "Can you give
Awesome.
a bike too?" So that's
You got it. Calm it down. You got it. Breathe.
and he's trying to get into mountain biking. So he's talking to him about mountain biking.
Nice.
Bump and go.
Yep.
Do it, Scott.
Nice.
Nice. Way more elegant than the bump and go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Take it, take it.
I know, right?
I mean, I meant to do that.
Exactly. We'll figure that out later.
A little late to be making that decision now. Oh,
Nice, Jim.
that looked good.
Jim does it the right way.
With authority.
Crap.
Until then.
Nice. Beautiful.
I'm done. Let's just do it. Beautiful. Anybody for it?
Got water.
This way.
Yeah! Oh, that was
Damn.
nice. Sweet.
Sick.
That was awesome.
That was definitely awesome.
Jeez, that was like boing. There it is.
Very nice.
They look easy. Downhill.
I missed your tire.
Yay. Oh, look at that. I got a bonus lead.
God, how come everything you do sounds so expensive?
Probably because it is. Go to brakes, Jim.
Yeah, and bring the front tire this way a little bit further. Yep. Your back tire is still a little on the other side of Paradise.
Okay. Took me a whole lot of preparation house, though.
You were close. Only about 3 more feet.
Yeah, just New York. Yeah.
Should be able to miss it and you're dead.
Absolutely. Hey folks, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. To see more of our videos, click up here. Thanks, have a great day. Happy riding.
Not where I wanted to go, but after I was going.